Today we'll connect Facebook lead ads to Microsoft Excel using Integrately, so new leads are added directly to your spreadsheets in real time. First, log into your Integrately account to get started. To begin, search for and select Facebook lead ads as your first app. Next, search for and select Microsoft Excel as your second app. From the list of available one-click automations, find an automation that creates a Microsoft Excel row for every new Facebook lead ads lead and click Activate. First, you'll need to connect your Facebook account. After signing in, select the specific page you want to use for this automation and click Continue. Next, connect your Microsoft Excel account. You'll need to select your source, folder, workbook, and worksheet to proceed. In the Automation Builder, configure your search settings. Select the column you want to search in and map the corresponding data from your Facebook lead. Finally, click the Test and Turn On toggle to activate your automation. You will see a confirmation that your process is live. And that's done. Facebook lead ads to Excel made easy with Integrately. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.